Bibi here, and this morning, of course, we're getting some healthy shopping tips from you, Bibi. This is because half of Singaporeans we hear aren't satisfied with their nutrition. Also, we want to know from you whether frozen, fresh, dried, or canned is best.
I think we can start firstly from the supermarket, and that's when you do your shopping. They start from the fresh aisles first, so you buy all their fresh ingredients, and you want to see that your trolley or your cart is full of fresh ingredients. I think if you select the right ones, they can be quite healthy. So just now we mentioned that frozen doesn't mean that it's got less nutrition. And what is interesting is if you look at the ingredients, it should have as few ingredients as possible. So you want to reserve is the liquid that's inside, because this is called aquafaba. To consider getting yourself some of these, little cute bags to be able to store your groceries without using too much plastic.
Yeah.
The name is really cute. It's called a mini maxi shopper.